Stop. I got told by a little bird that you're looking for the best WordPress hosting, and you might be overwhelmed by endless best web hosting claims and marketing nonsense. This video is specifically for you. Yes, you, James, or Michael, or Don. Because after working with hundreds of hosting providers over the years, I know what's hiding behind all that marketing. So let's talk about the best WordPress hosting. But before I give you my top list, a quick few notes. First, all three providers in this video offer optimized WordPress environments, free SSL, solid security, reliable uptime, and WordPress hosting and domain in one subscription. Second, if you're just here for that sweet discount, the special promo links are in the description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen. Don't worry, I'll bring up each QR code when I talk about the provider for convenience. And definitely use those discounts. They can save you quite a lot of money in the long term. Let's start with the overall winner, the best all-arounder. Hosting or WordPress is the best WordPress hosting for most users simply because it balances performance, features, and price better than anyone else. It's also one of the most modern providers, constantly rolling out new tech like NVMe storage, which makes a huge difference in speed and stability, along with a number of completely free AI tools that speed up my workflow tremendously. Add Lightspeed optimized servers, and you've got yourself the fastest WordPress hosting provider for under $5 a month. That's why I highly recommend the higher tier plan. It packs everything and still isn't that expensive, especially with my discount link in the description or on screen right now. Hostinger offers a few different ways of hosting WordPress, including WordPress Cloud hosting, but it also makes it extremely difficult to break your website. You get automatic weekly or daily backups, AI-powered troubleshooting tools that can auto-solve your issues, Cody support, and clear notifications when you're approaching resource limits. Cody is your virtual assistant that can not only tell you what to do, but also handle many tasks for you, like creating web pages. Compared to providers like GoDaddy or SiteGround, Hostinger is also a very transparent provider, not only by informing you about their future plans with a public roadmap, but also by just not having any hidden fees or tricky limitations. On top of that, you get more resources for the same or even lower WordPress hosting price, plus a resource boost when you need it. Yes, Hostinger actually gives you a free 24-hour resource boost. Why? Because that's just what Hostinger does. It gives you stuff. So if you're a beginner and looking for simple yet extremely effective hosting on WordPress, Hostinger is the only provider you'll ever need. Now let's talk about saving even more money. IONOS WordPress has a simple pitch. Come and use our $1 per month plan. It's so cheap that honestly, it can almost be mistaken for WordPress hosting for free. But jokes aside, the plans here are actually packed with features. So for short-term projects, there really isn't a better option, or at least not a cheaper one. And IONOS isn't just the cheapest hosting on this list, it's also a solid choice for business owners or small brands. IONOS offers daily automatic backups, strong security, wildcard SSL, and solid uptime guaretees. One standout feature is redundant storage, meaning your site is stored on two physical systems. If one fails, the other takes over, giving your site better stability than most budget hosts. If you're looking for cheap WordPress hosting and don't need everything to be fully optimized for WordPress, IONOS Shared Hosting offers that same $1 plan with unlimited resources. Yeah, it actually gets even better. With multiple data center locations and WordPress optimized setups, IONOS WordPress delivers impressive reliability and performance for its price point. The only real downside for me is the control panel experience. It's a mix of more traditional panels, and while it looks clean, it can feel confusing for beginners. Some tools are placed in odd locations, and there are a few unnecessary steps that can leave you wondering what to do next. Once you get the hang of it, it's fairly simple, but that's why I recommend IONOS if you already have at least a bit of web management experience. My final recommendation is Namecheap. If Hostinger is the perfect start for beginners and IONOS is the budget saver, Namecheap offers managed WordPress hosting at a very reasonable price. Not having to worry about a single technical aspect of your website really changes how you view hosting. It goes from a constant concern about security or performance to a walk in the park where you can focus only on your content. That said, Namecheap isn't only about managed hosting. You can also run WordPress on all of their plans. And if I'm being fair, the Plus subscription might be one of the cheapest unlimited plans out there. If you're unsure what you'll need long term, not having limits on resources solves that headache pretty nicely. No matter which route you choose, managed or unlimited, Namecheap comes with clean controls, a free CDN, free SSL, automatic backups, free WordPress migration, and free domain name protection. It also includes AI website builders and AI tools, making it a solid choice for users who want a classic, no-nonsense WordPress hosting experience. Now, there are two things you should know about Namecheap. First, unlike Hostinger and IONOS, Namecheap doesn't include a free .com domain. Instead, it offers other extensions for free and discounts on the most popular ones. Second, support here can be a bit of a mixed bag. Sometimes they're fast and resolve issues almost instantly, while other times it can feel slow and unhelpful. Of course, support is one of those things some users rely on constantly, while others never even open a ticket because they prefer doing everything themselves. So, if you're looking for best managed WordPress hosting on a budget or unlimited unmanaged WordPress plans, Namecheap is a strong option. That's it for this video. It wasn't too long, so I don't think it needs a hefty conclusion. Hostinger is the best all-arounder and ideal for beginners. IONOS is super cheap, and Namecheap offers excellent managed WordPress or affordable WordPress hosting with unlimited resources. If any of these sound like the right fit for you, scan the QR code on screen or check the links in the description to grab the discounts. Drop a comment letting me know what made you choose your provider. Was it pricing, features, or reputation? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons or conspiracies. Okay, enough nonsense. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.